what you think. Any given day in LA could be taken for any given reason, like fraud types caught for treason.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because today is gonna be an adventure. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I'm here with my best friend. His name is, I call him Jack, you guys can call him what you want. Same Sosa? Or what do you want to go by?
Hello world, DJ Same Sosa. We don't say government names on here anymore.
Nah. So I call him Jack. It's right there.
Oh, and do some like effect and shit, right?
Ooh, okay, I can't do that effect. See, we're in Hollywood. You guys can see the little Hollywood sign over there.
Very different from New York City.
Yeah, because he's from New York.
Yeah.
So you guys, I'll leave his Instagram down in the description. You guys go check him out. We're gonna go have an adventure today in Hollywood. Excuse my trunk, you guys, but it's like real messy. So Jack got a pen. He brought it from New York. He says he tags with it.
Yes. Anybody that knows graffiti knows about crank. It's like the
so
top of the
I didn't
line.
know, so I'm like clueless.
You want to do damage on the strip? Use a crank. Hit a couple of mailboxes, couple newsstands, couple walls, whatever.
He's wearing it. What shirt you wearing? Like Nas?
No, this is Mobb Deep.
Oh,
They're from the same neighborhood, Queensbridge. That's where I'm coming from right now, Queens. So.
But you know who I got on, right?
Yeah.
And it's signed by Lazy Bone.
Damn.
You already
So you got the exclusives.
I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of some artwork. He's the one that draws me, guys. If you guys ever wondered what Lady True,
things right here.
Yeah, that Lady True picture on my Lady True Facebook page, it comes from his drawings.
Unfinished, all types. I just showed you this one. I did it
so
on the
this
wall.
is I would want to say Psycho, but it's not Psycho. It's how?
Seiko.
Seiko
With an A.
It means what in
Supreme.
Supreme.
In Japanese. So anytime you see this, that's me, baby.
And you see that, and we see that you have this all over like places, right?
All
Like,
over the East Coast, New York, Connecticut.
See, this is another one.
Seiko.
We gotta catch you in action, like.
Oh yeah.
We gotta catch you drawing it though. Oh shit! We don't want to lose that.
Yeah, we don't want you to lose this one.
See, this is the one he just drew.
Tupac Shakur.
I gotta touch it one time.
Yeah, right. I'm not done with
That's his
that.
girlfriend.
Did that on the plane. Quit playing.
That's cool.
Couple of things.
All right, guys, we're hitting the strip. You guys look. See? Look down. Look down. There's all the little stars. Whoa,
Lady True is this Lady True.
Ew, that one's cracked.
It's okay.
So I don't want to go to jail. So walk by right here, looks pretty tight inside. Look at that chair. That chair's dope. Alright, so I don't know where we're going. We're just walking, and this door.
We're just appreciating the architecture of
Get out my, no, just kidding. He just come in my video. Just kidding, I'm just kidding. I'm like, stranger. No, this door's tight. I find it real nice and like wood. It's like wood. It's wood crafted.
Yeah.
That is.
It's carved.
Yeah.
It's a wooden door that's carved. Looks pretty dope.
I don't know. It looks tight. It looks tight.
Nobody's allowed in.
I'm dropping off Jack here at this hotel because he wanted to stay in this hotel. So he's ready to go check in. I'm just kidding. Oh my god. This is crazy. I don't know what it is. Yeah. Scary.
Welcome to my haunted house.
And these are actually real cases like that they used to like.
This is actually a real skull from one of my victims.
I know it's late at night. Yeah, I'm riding to this beat while my baby girl's sleeping tight. I know you wonder why. Know you wonder why I keep putting all this to the side. But see, I'm coming up quietly. Tell everybody don't sleep on me. You love me, you hate me, I just don't care. I'll put it in the air.
So Trudy's about to put some.
I'm not gonna put my finger in the mouth. No, you put your finger in his mouth. What does he say? What does he say?
I don't know.
Put your finger in his mouth. We're coming to the show right now. All right, live music. That's what I need. I'm probably gonna get ran over because I'm just always on my, you know,
I'm
camera.
used to this. It's like New York, just with palm trees.
Exactly. I've never been to New York, so this smells so delicious. Oh my god. 2 years later, they changed. See, this, I look chubbier though because I look smaller. Alright guys, we're here at Joe's Pizza in Hollywood, and he just got here from New York. We can see it's like
I just came from pizza, and now we're gonna experience more pizza.
Yeah,
It's West Coast pizza.
I'm hungry, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see what we got.
See
We
what
got
they
a lot
got on
of.
the menu.
It's a lot of. We ran out that place because he said a slice of that pizza costs $1 in New York, but it costs $3 here, or almost $4. So he's like,
One word, 2 syllables. Taxing.
okay. Hold on. You guys, that's tight. Look how it looks. We're in the city. It's the thuggish, ruggish bone. So we just ate some bomb food, and we're just gonna keep walking because he just wants to lose weight. So let me tell you, like right now, I have something for you to eat since you ate meat. I have something. No. This is from Mexico, and it's something you might be wanting to try. Will you want to eat it? It's something small. It has like 6 legs, 8 legs. All right, guys. I'm gonna see if he'd eat it or not. Would you eat something I have in my bag right now? No, for no money. I'm just saying, will you eat it? Cause I eat it. I'll eat it.
I accept the challenge. Hopefully.
Are you sure? You just said yes.
I'm not
you just
sure.
said yes, so I'm just gonna say.
I'm not sure, but I accept the challenge.
Okay, so you just said yes, and he's about you guys.
What-
you guys know what
could
this is
happen?
about. No,
What
you
could
guys know what
happen?
this is about because I'm gonna put it on the subtitles. So you guys, we're gonna stop right now in a little bit. He's gonna eat what I'm gonna pull out for
Coming soon,
him.
the main event.
You can hold it out to us.
Okay, I got you.
All right.
Eyes on.
All right, Jack, you're gonna eat something and don't freak out, okay? These are from Mexico and they're roasted. You're gonna eat, shoot, let's give you this one. This one looks good. You're gonna eat a grasshopper. It's a real life grasshopper with salt.
Hold it up.
What? It's a grasshopper.
I want to get a close up.
You guys know you
That
can
is
get
what
it
I'm
from-
about to eat.
Yeah, it's like kind of messed
Looks
up
like
because
a
I have
mini dead
I
chicken
have a lot of
carcass.
them. So you're gonna
Hold on,
eat.
hold that up again.
No.
Let's see how weird you really are.
Anyway.
Fun fact, Lady True walks
No.
around Hollywood Boulevard.
No, hold up. So fun
With
fact, you're about to eat this. Hold up. This comes from Mexico, so you better eat them.
What's the history of it though? Like how
They
it,
fry them. These are fried in
Yeah.
salt and lemon. Give me the camera.
it was out of focus the whole time.
All right, so you're about to eat this little tiny grasshopper that comes from Mexico, yo. No. Get it in your hand. Get it in your hand.
Oh my god.
All right, go ahead. Do it.
Can I
Do
get
it.
a drum roll? Shit.
Drum roll, please. Just eat it. No. Where'd it go? Well, let me see your mouth, bro. Eat it. You got it. Eat it. How does it taste?
What's this again?
It's a grasshopper. How does it taste like? What does it taste like? It's not that bad, right?
Chicharrones or something.
Chicharrones. Yeah, it's not bad, right? See? He ate it.
First time for everything. Now it's your turn.
I already ate them, like
What?
off the bag.
Oh, so now
Yeah.
Wow. So ultimately the joke was on me.
Yeah, you guys give this video a thumbs up because he did it. He
Yeah,
tried
give me all the thumbs up. Get subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
Right.
All right, let's go.
And shit.
Yeah, what can you taste? Like, what it tastes like?
Fucking woods.
The woods?
The grass.
You didn't
or
taste like
something.
lemon and salt?
Yeah, I tasted that too.
It's not that bad though, right? I think we could live off of insects. Like, all right, so we are here at this mural where I have pictures of already.
Yeah.
We're gonna take some pictures right now, again. Cause it's so pretty. Love that ride right there. All right. So pretty much there's like, I don't know if that's like a red carpet or what. What is this?
Taking it out.
They're taking.
the red carpet out.
Oh, because what happened? Like the awards? Is that what it is? See?
What's going on? I bet you.
Alright, you guys know I like Egyptian stuff, right? So this is so beautiful, you guys. I never even came over here. My mom's always like walking fast. I'm so like, we're confused on what's going on. Or we're like walking on this carpet thing. So we just, I don't know. See? Go. I'm just following you. I'm just talking to the camera. But there's a lot of stuff going on. I don't know if they're taking it down or picking it up. I just don't know. They just like did. You guys, look.
Hold on. The most important celebrity.
Okay. That's crazy. Look at her skin though, it looks so real.
No, I want to touch it, but I'm afraid.
They could touch it, she's touching it.
That's crazy. This shit creepy. Look.
Say what's up to my YouTube channel, man.
Yo, subscribe, bro.
Tell them to go subscribe to my channel. Guys, Bumblebee right there. Alright, so I don't even know how they... See, we missed the spot because they went around somehow.
$10
Oh, we went the other
$5
way.
sale. Everything
You guys just must bomb.
Everything $5.
Guys, be free. Eddie Murphy right there. I want to touch his hand. Yeah, like I have to put my hand, guys. You guys, this is crazy. He has a big fat hand.
Yeah, nigga hand big as hell.
Oh my god. That's crazy. Right there? Let's see his hand. That's crazy. I think those are his kids over there. You guys, I am obsessed with, like, I'm obsessed with, I'm a big Will Smith fan. Like, hold up, let me, oh my god, he is. I feel like, what in the world is going on right now? Like, he stepped here, right?
Yeah.
Like, for real?
It's his feet.
I gotta.
It's his hands right here.
Hold up. Oh, OMG. OMG. You guys, I'm so freaking happy right now.
Will Smith, baby. Fresh Prince.
I gotta do it with my other hand, just because I have to.
Just because it's Will Smith.
I have to, look, I have to. Let me see, do both my hands. Dude, this is crazy. Okay. That's crazy.
How do you feel now?
Happy.
Word.
We make this look good. That's what he says.
Yo, give me on tape saying this. Support Chicano art. Support it.
Wow.
Word. True artist, bro. You missed it.
I know he was.
Hold on, I'm gonna do it again.
So they're gonna do the Oscars here tomorrow, and this is like the setup. Oh look, the
Dolby
entrance.
Theater. Look up.
That's beautiful. Look how beautiful that thing is. So like the coming down like little beads and stuff. Wow, and it just goes on over there. So we were back there, and now we're in front of it, so we can see. You know.
In the journey.
That's tight. Look how pretty the background. Lights, camera, action. Oh my gosh. Wow. You guys see the Oscar sign right there? 2019 Oscars. All right.
So we're reporting live from the Oscars on Hollywood Boulevard,
yeah.
Sunset or some shit.
Look.
And we're still setting up, so we haven't seen celebrities yet, even though we are some. We hood celebrities.
I'm not. I mean, you're a hood celebrity.
You're a YouTube celebrity.
Yeah. Look at this plant. They're gonna decorate it with these
There's a lot going on.
over the
It
hedge
takes a
things.
lot.
All right, you guys, I am in love. Like, I feel like I'm in an Egyptian like place. Look, this fool's he's trying to be the star of my vlog. I can't focus, but I can see you. Oh my gosh. Look. You guys, this is like, there was water here once, but I guess there's not. This is beautiful. I love it. I love this. I love this. I'm so in love right now. I'm so in love right now. Look. That says, see that? Those things? That's name. Those are name tags.
Hieroglyphics too.
Those are name tags. This is beautiful, dude. I feel like I'm in
One of
Egypt.
the first languages is hieroglyphics. Actually, it's the earliest form of graffiti.
It's not graffiti.
It's the earliest form of it.
I mean, what they made papyrus. That's a paper, but still.
Graffiti as well on walls.
On
right?
walls, yeah.
That's what it is.
He's still gonna eat that. Oh, he dropped it. He should have put it up there, look, on the top.
5-minute rule.
Oh no! Oh no, Jack! You really gonna eat one?
Hell yeah.
No. See, they got some scary stuff going on over there.
Yeah, right.
You guys, I will never go to this hotel. All right, so basically we came to LA because we came to link up with some people that Jack knows that are his friends, right? So we're almost about to meet them. How do you feel? Like, what's happy?
Extraordinary. I think happy is not just a word, but we're
excited.
We're gonna meet the super producer Free P. I go back in the days back before all this. I'll meet up with my man Scribbles, aka Scribbling Idiot, my man Uzi. So shout out to everybody.
He's an artist, right?
He's an extremely good artist. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be doing none of this shit, just to be real. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned for that, because we're gonna meet up right now. All right, so Jack. So this is Jack's friend, and say your name. Hold up.
Free P.
This is Free P. So we met up with him right now, and I think Jack's other friend's about to pop up. Man, Jack's famous. What's going on? I call him Jack. I don't know.
Nothing wrong with it.
He's gonna go say hi to his friend over there.
Like the slaps and shit, I had found him on Instagram, and you re-inspired me, fam. When I was in the place, yeah, dead ass. Yeah. I had looked at you, I'm like, yo, you so tight, but it was like it re-inspired me to just get on some like true grass shit and all that, man. Yeah. I got to give you your respect, man, for real.
Down, but we out on the west side. I still need to find my ride and my whip, though. Yeah. Okay, and be my group of friends. We hang in circle up. Okay. Pass it to my left though. I got the captain on me.
So Jack's giving them like art, whatever they want.
Mad prints on my art and shit. So it's like they're all in a bundle. It's just art I created over time. And I got them digitally like printed on there. These joints too, like.
Yeah, that one's an old one. You've had that for a while.
Yeah, I got it digital now. So.
You got it digital?
Yeah, that's.
Oh, these are all copies?
These are digital.
Oh, okay. I was gonna be like, dang, like original. Okay. So we came to see the light post, and they got me a heater because I'm freaking freezing. Let's go explore these lights. Let's go in between them. Check them out. Wow, everybody likes to be around these light posts. This is cool. Pick a spot. Let me see. This is crazy. I never thought I would see these. Let me see. Hold up. This looks tight. Say what's up to New York.
New York. Queens, baby. We here.
Hey, give a shout out to the people like your friends that we just saw right now. Give a shout out to. We give a shout out to. You know, we're doing shout outs. We're doing shout outs to.
Shout out to Free P. Shout out to who else? Scribbling Idiot. Shout out to I don't know, everybody, right?
The captain,
and then
the captain people.
Yeah, the captain.
Merch.
Shout out to the
Captain merch.
Shout out to Free P. Shout out to Scribbling Idiot. Captain, the merch. I see y'all. Everybody. Shout out, most importantly, Lady True, for making it all happen. Subscribe, by the way, because of that.
I'm gonna be a weirdo, guys, and I'm just gonna run through it. I can't run through there because there's people. There's people everywhere. I want to like run through these things. All right, so this is about it. This is all we're seeing. And yeah, I've never been here, so this is my first time looking at these light poles, which is pretty cool. I don't know why we're in an abstract place right now, but it's crazy. So peaceful, huh? Like it's a good shot. That's how Mexico looks like, or I don't even know.
You don't really have much, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, it's like kind of a powerful thing right there.
Yep. Alright guys, so this is it for this vlog. Shout out to Jack for coming out his second time to California, you know?
It was all love. I love Cali.
We got all the palm trees everywhere.
East to west.
Look at that. So,
shout out to Lady True. So please subscribe, please.
give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Please.
Comment anything you guys want to know, like if you guys want to hit him up for some art.
I got artwork for sale.
I'll put down his link.
Yeah.
And
at @same_Sosa. That's with everything. Instagram and all that.
alright guys.
I know. See Lady True be 559 representing. 559 representing. All my color girls, we winning.